The fight for criminal justice reform has been long and hard. Senator Mike Lee tells CBN News that in his 8 years of working on a comprehensive bill, they've never been closer than they are right now to sending a bill to the president's desk.
If it is brought forward, it will pass. It'll pass overwhelmingly with a bipartisan supermajority vote of at least 65, probably 70, maybe 75 or 80.
The bill that Lee says helps prisoners return to society and addresses excessive sentences already passed the House. It can only pass the Senate if it gets a vote. Majority Leader Mitch McConnell faces pressure from the president to bring it to the Senate floor. But McConnell has made clear his top priorities for the end of the year are funding the government and passing the Farm Bill.
We'll be whipping that to see whether what the consensus is, if there is a consensus in our conference about not only the substance but the timing of moving forward.
Lee told CBN News if it doesn't pass this year, it's over.
With the incoming Democratic House of Representatives, they would demand something more exacting than what could pass in the Senate or could likely be signed into law by President Trump. So if we want to get criminal justice reform done, not only should we do it in time for it to be a Christmas gift to the American people, but we should do it before the clock runs out on this Congress.
McConnell also put to rest any talk of Republicans making one more attempt at repealing Obamacare in the lame duck session, telling reporters it's now a bipartisan issue. For now, he's focused on reaching a spending compromise on border security that President Trump will sign.
We're trying to get the president the money he would like for the wall.
Senate Republicans and Democrats agreed on $1.6 billion going towards border security before Thanksgiving. But Senator Lindsey Graham argues that's not nearly enough now that the caravan is at the southern border.
Secure the border is going to be a bottom line for the president. He's got a $25 billion plan. I don't think he expects to get $25 billion all at once. But he does expect to get $5 billion, like the House authorized, without a bunch of strings attached.
But Minority Leader Chuck Schumer gave no indication he'll budge.
The $1.6 billion for border security negotiated by Democrats and Republicans is our position. We believe that is the right way to go.
Lawmakers have until December 7th to reach a spending agreement, or we could see a partial government shutdown. Reporting from Capitol Hill, Abigail Robertson, CBN News.